Ito po tayo sa ano, again sa Papa John's dahil maglilibre po ito si Boss Dimars. Yun oh. Happy birthday, boss! Yeah, nasa. Ito po kami ngayon sa Papa John's. Kakain muna tayo sa Papa John's dahil birthday nito kasama natin si Robin, si Boss Robin.
Okay naman. Panitulo. Substitution.
Di ba pag may birthday may discount?
Wow, wala tayong ganyan, ha?
Wala pa. Kaya po. Ito po kami ngayon sa Papa John's dahil magse-celebrate kami ng birthday ni Boss Dimars RSTV. Happy birthday.
Kaya nga, busog mo kami.
Tol, yung pwesto mo dyan para kang bayot. Ayusin mo naman. Ayan. Once again, maraming salamat po sa
Celebrant.
birthday celebrant. Si
Boss Dimars.
Sir, pala tanda mas mo para namin.
Ganda. Awit.
Katulad po nung sinabi namin kanina dun sa message. Talagang magpapapitsa po ito. Kaya ayan oh. Ayan.
May pizza na? May spaghetti pa.
Siyempre, tapos bukas, magluluto kami ng
Spaghetti.
wow! Namoy patis. Ayan. Samahan niyo po kaming mag-enjoy at lasapin na patrit ni Sir Dimars RSTV. Yahoo! Salamat po.
Maraming salamat po pala sa nag-organize ng aking birthday live stream. Si Sir Alonso at saka si Joe Hooks, 25, Everyday Music, Jun Gondo, at sa buong team Alonso at Team Papi. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagpunta sa birthday. Siyempre, maraming salamat ka na sa Rhea at saka kay Ma'am Jopax, Jun Gondo at saka kay Everyday Music. Kaya, thank you so much.
Yo, malupit na pasasalamat. Okay na?
Ayos na.
Bayaran ko na.
Excited. Excited, wala pa yung ano. Gusto na magbayad ka agad.
Pwedeng card yan, ha?
Ayan. So, mga kapatid, guys, samahan niyo po kami hanggang sa matapos namin mga pagkain. Enjoy and have fun. Mabusog kayo.
Mabusog kayo hanggang gusto nyo. Sarah,
Walang 2 joints, ha?
wala tayong ganito.
Wala.
Pang-adpungan lang sa buti na lang. Sabi ni Toxiu.
Ay, paano po nga isang part?
Alam mo, dyan lang kami big bike, hindi mo naman kaya lang bang.
Akin tagad yung mga...
Kakantar lang kami, tulak mo nga lang. Gawin ko na agad. Pero mas enjoy sa ano, scooter, medyo maliliit.
Yung ano? Parang yung mga...
Kasi sa Mindoro,
Amin, Dora ka? Uy!
hindi, naglalaro ako sa Mindoro eh, Mangyan.
Ito?
Mangyan 1, 2, 3, Mangyan 3.
Nasa Mindoro?
Hindi, sa Rizal ako. Pero invited kami, tuwing palaro. Ha? Antipolo ako. Wala talban. Saan sa Magtalban? Baka sa ano? Sa...
Barangay ako ng mga sikat.
Ano?
Atin na po sumakin.
Ha?
Channel Boss Dimars.
Unang barangay lang ako. Ano? Lagpas ko ng San Mateo.
Nandun po na sa may simbahan.
Ano mo? Burgos.
Abulong na. Tapos yung ukay ko sa ano kasi, nag-ukay ako sa Burgos. Tapos meron ako dun sa Kasigdaan. Naging 4 ang branch namin. Ay problema yung kasosyo ko, wala naman akong alam sa ano eh. Nag-drop ako rin sa tao dun. 10 taon magkasama dun.
Mahirapan din sa Panginoon ng araw.
Boss,
Mahirapan pa sila.
Happy birthday,
Natandyan
boss.
yung inaris.
thank you.
Salamat sa iyong napakasarap na pakapunan. Sana, sa isang araw, birthday mo.
Pwede. Pwede yung hindi ba lang yung ano? Soft drinks, wala ice.
Wala. Ako, palamig ko
Pwede talaga. Hindi ba pwede talaga? Mas pwede naman. Tatlong ano mo. Dahil saan ka po? Spoon ba?
Meron kami sa Biyernes, PBM.
Saan? Saan ang tagpuan?
Ito. Yeah.
Ayun eh. Pag-charge mo yan ako eh.
Ha?
Pag-charge mo.
Ito,
PM.
PBM.
Next program?
Contact.
Picture.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna
Thank you for coming again here in Papa John's. Hope
Okay.
to see you again. Anyway, thank you sa pagpunta sa amin sa Papa John's dito sa Barwa Commercial Avenue at pag-try ng bago naming stuffed crust pizza, which is our bestseller. And this one is available in all flavor. Kaya kayo dyan, pumuntahan na kayo dito sa Papa John's at try nyo na ang stuffed crust pizza namin. See you again.
Alright, thank you. Bye-bye.
Yahoo!
Yo, microphone check, make it a microphone check. Give it a microphone, I make it a microphone dead. Don't step to me, newbie, I could truly be moody. I could have played the fucking Grinch in the movies. I've been a part-time shadow cat, part-time